Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can delete a screen from your app projects in the Adalo web app builder. So let us dive into this. So head over to your app building project here on Adalo. Select the given screen. You may click into it or navigate to the Screens tab here on the left tab. Select the given screen. Let me go with, I don't know, any of these. This one here, example screen, selected with your left mouse. Here in the screen menu, click into the three dots, select delete to get rid of it. And after that, Adalo will ask you to confirm that by entering the exact screen's name here. And you can disable that option also in the settings. However, guys, if you'd like to confirm that, enter the exact screen name below, click into OK. And that is going to confirm the deletion of the screen. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got something from it, and we'll catch you later.